Chromatic aberration is a color distortion that creates an outline of unwanted colors along the edges of objects in a photograph. It appears along metallic surfaces or where there is a high contrast between light and dark objects. To add the chromatic aberration effect in Unity, go to the post-process volume, add effect, Unity, then the chromatic aberration. Chromatic aberration has three options to configure: spectral LUT, intensity, and fast mode. Similar to color grading, chromatic aberration uses the spectral LUT to modify the hue of the effect, but the only difference is that the spectral LUT does not affect the rest of the scene. The post-processing stack comes with a few spectral LUTs that we can use. Lock the inspector, then go to Packages, Post-processing again, Textures, and finally spectral LUTs. Before adding any LUT, we need first to increase the intensity of the effect so we can notice the difference between these spectral LUTs. Use 0.15 as we don't want to overuse this effect. Now, drag and drop the spectral LUTs to the texture slot to apply it. Choose any texture that you like. Fast mode is an option for mobile and low-end platforms. This is it for the chromatic aberration effect. See you in the next lecture.